We're doing this together?
We're doing this together. Yeah, our very first time. You're gonna do it again? Okay. Your very first time, actually our very first time doing it together. Okay. I think I'm in trouble. We're gonna need another Renegade. All right. We're out at the Napanee ATV park today, going for a ride. Taking my wife out for her first ever mud ride. It's gonna be a blast, one way or another. Yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta put my my feet out. If I do that, then you can put your, if you want to go closer, you can. How's that? How's that feel back there?
Good.
The big thing is not knocking our heads together. All right, let's get bumpy in here. Your very first time, actually our very first time doing it together. Okay, we're gonna go with this one right here. You will. I'll just do it with me first. So you get the feel, see what it's like, and then you can do some yourself, and then we'll have at her. Yeah. Okay, so you're hanging on. We're gonna give her a little bit of throttle, okay? Come on, okay, ready? See where it's a little darker, that's more of the deeper water. That was thick. Look at that. So?
I liked it.
You liked it?
I just don't want to fall off.
Oh, you're not gonna fall off.
It's already four-wheel drive.
It's in four-wheel drive, yeah? Yeah, keep going. You did it! Woo! I don't know, but I think she might want her own machine now. Oh man, that's awesome! Look at that, she sprayed me right in the face. Oh, she's coming back for more. Whoa. Took one for the team. She's getting cocky now. Yeah, just shut it off. Red switch over to the left. So what do you think? What was your first impressions?
I liked it.
You liked it?
I kind of overshot on the one.
I saw that, yeah, yeah. That's got
I ran the stop sign.
You ran the stop sign. That's okay. You're allowed here. That's okay. That was awesome. I'm gonna go hit this one over here. It's a little deeper. Some speed. Yeah.
How was that?
That's great. Oh my god, I didn't turn it on for those. That's hilarious. That's alright. I know. There's a lot going on. You ready? Hang on.
That was fun.
It is. That's a Renegade. Okay, give her. Oh, yeah. You're a natural.
Like, do I get to go through this one?
If you want to do it, you can do it. You feel confident?
I think I can do it.
Yeah, just give her. Don't.
Just be around.
I'll be right there, but
I just gotta go really fast.
not really fast, but a bit of speed, like you did that one. When you feel the resistance, then you give her a little more throttle. You're not gonna get stuck. Oh, this is gonna be good. She's filling up for the task. This is a little bit more degree of difficulty, but I think she can handle it. She wants it. You're gonna do it again? Okay. She's going. She's doing it again. Okay. Okay, just put her in forward. Yeah, there you go. You got her. The thing is to not panic. Just take your time. Good job. Okay, I think I'm in trouble. We're gonna need another Renegade. Oh, she's going back through another one. All right, guys, that ride was a blast. I had a good time. I know my wife had a good time. I hope you enjoyed the ride. I'll see you in the next one.
I liked it.
You liked it? You're a natural.